Hey guys, Hannah Bell, family lawyer, back with another edition of 12 Days of Christmas, Divorce Edition. Now, I knew you were thinking to yourself, hey, we took a break from the birds. I want more I need to know more about the birds. You are in luck, okay? So let's get ready. We're on day 6. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 6 geese a-laying. 6 geese a-laying. I think that sounds like it would be make kind of a big mess, to be honest. Oh, which, nice segue, self. Thank you, self. You could do to yourself if you're concerned with who's laying their head at your ex's house every day. Now, you may be one of those people who, no matter what happens in your divorce, no matter if it's been 20 years from now, you're still going to be concerned with who's laying their head in your ex's bed. All right? I'm going to advise you don't do that, or you're going to create the mess. But specifically, I want to talk about morality clauses that people sometimes try to include in their divorce decrees. And look, sometimes I'm in mediation and people do want to include this. Basically, what it means is you would put into the decree for your X factor that no unrelated persons may spend the night at their house between the hours of like 9 or 10 p.m. to 7 or 8 a.m. All right, so no unrelated people. That would have the effect of paramours, girlfriends, boyfriends, not spending the night when the kids are there. And it's well-meaning, and I totally get it, especially when the divorce is new and raw, and we don't want people like waltzing in and out of these kids' lives. Like, I think everybody would agree it's not probably the best idea. But I don't want you to set yourself up for a mess long term, because I want you to think it through. So, okay, year after the divorce or whatever, I get it. But let's say it's been 4 or 5 years, and let's say that your ex isn't awful and waits an appreciable, reasonable period of time before introducing the kids to their, boyfriend or girlfriend, and they maybe have them spend the night on a Friday night because it's late and y'all were all watching a movie or whatever. Is that really the situation you're trying to guard against? And I want you to think about this. They're usually mutual. It's going to apply to you too. Do you want to be in that same situation? Probably not. And so when you're thinking about one of these morality clauses, I'm going to say don't set yourself up for a mess. One of the hardest things to really accept and really get your mind around in the divorce process is this, that you cede control. You cede control of the environment that your kids are in when they're not with you. You cede control of what your ex is going to do and how they're going to parent and how they're going to live their lives. And the sooner you can accept it for what it is and really take into account that this is your new reality and sort of go at it with an open hand, the better off you're going to be. Because if you try to maintain that control, you're going to make yourself crazy, like with clenched fists like this. So when it comes to morality clauses, I know probably some lawyers, if any of y'all are watching this, you may disagree with me and you may be the ones at mediation that I'm fighting with about this. But I think it's not a good idea. It's going to set you up for the long term. And one thing you got to think about is if this morality clause is broken, so what? What are you going to do about it? Are you really going to go to the court? Because your evidence is going to be from your children. Because the way you're going to know it was broken is because you were asking your little kid questions like you're not really supposed to do. Like, oh, hey, Timmy, who was, what happened at Dad's house this weekend? Like, were y'all the only ones there? Miss Jill, was she there? When did she leave? Was she there until 11:30? You're not supposed to do that. All right, it's not healthy for the kids, not healthy for you. Judges really hate it. But if you went to court, so what? If you went to court and said, hey, morality clause was broken, basically, they're going to be like, how do you know? And you're going to say, well, my kid told me. And they're going to be like, you're the one in trouble now for asking your kid all these questions. So if you're not willing to hire a private investigator to follow your ex around and see if their girlfriend's there, and okay, so say you even did that. Say you've got a PI who proves it. Then what? It's been a couple of years. They've been dating this person 3, 4, 6 months, a year, and they spent the night once. What do you want the judge to do? And you don't want to set yourself up to be that person, to be in that position, to look like that embittered, angry, can't let go, controlling person that maybe they've been trying to say that you are. So don't give it to them. Don't make it that easy on them. All right, so Giselaine, that would create that mess. You're not going to create the mess because you're going to know from these tips, this divorce edition with the silly hat, you're going to know not a good idea. So hope everybody's doing good. We're halfway there. Lots more birds to come. Hope everybody's doing great. Bye.